everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Elsa Speak application on your iPhone. To download Elsa Speak application on your iPhone, first make sure that your iPhone is connected to a stable internet. Now, open up your App Store. Into the search box, search for Elsa Speak, and once you make your search, download this application that says Elsa Learn and Speak English. Tap the Get button to download the app. Now wait until the application gets downloaded, which will only take a few minutes depending upon your internet speed. With Elsa, you'll be able to learn correct pronunciations errors for every syllable in artificial intelligence equipped with exclusive voice recognition. With the application installed, you can now practice English pronunciations with precise feedbacks. Learn how to pronounce all English sounds with this application installed on your mobile devices. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to open the app. Allow necessary permissions for the app and log into your account and start working with the app. How to sign up for Elsa Speak? First, open up your Elsa Speak application from your app drawer. Now, tap on the Start button from the main interface located at the bottom. Tap on the Continue button and speak the sentences that has been provided in the display. You can also skip this step for now by tap and skip at the top right. On the next page, choose your native language from the options displayed on the screen. On the next page, select why you are trying to practice the language. Now, enter your level if you are a beginner, intermediate, or advanced. Select your practice goal from the options. Now, set a convenient time for you'd like to use in order to practice the language. After you do that, tap Next at the bottom. On the next page, you'll need to create an account in order to save your progress. Enter your first name in the first text box and then type in an email address on the next. Now create a password for yourself in the password text box. While creating a password, make sure the password is at least 8 characters long and it has at least one uppercase character and at least one number or a special character in your password. After you do that, you can tap on Create My Account button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to sign up for Elsa Speak. How to log into Elsa Speak? Open up the Elsa Speak application to get started. Now, tap on the Login button right next to already an Elsa user at the bottom. You can log into your account using Facebook, Apple, or with an email. Select the same process that you chose while signing up for the account. Since I signed up using my email, let me tap on Sign in with email. On the next page, you'll need to type in your email followed by your password. Type in your email address that is associated with Elsa Speak and in the password field, type in the password that you created. Finally, tap on Sign in. If you've forgotten your password, you can tap on the Forgot Password link beneath the Sign in button and follow through the on-screen prompts in order to retrieve your password. After filling in your credentials correct, tapping on Sign In will take you back to your account. That is how you'll be able to log in to your Elsa Speak account on a mobile device. How to change your Elsa Speak account's password? Open up your Elsa Speak application to get started. Log into your Elsa Speak account and from the main homepage, tap on the human icon at the bottom right. Now tap on your name at the top and under Settings, tap on Edit Your Profile. You'll be able to see a Change Password option. Tap the Edit button right next to it and enter your old password in the first text box to confirm. On the next field, type in your new password you'd like to change to. Confirm the new password again in the last text box by retyping the new password again. After confirming your new password, tap on Done at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your password for Elsa Speak. How to change email on Elsa Speak? Go and tap open your Elsa Speak application from your app drawer to get started. From the main homepage, once you log in, go and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. From the profile page, tap on your name. From the settings page, tap on Edit your profile right under your display name. Tap the Edit button right next to the email address and enter your password that you're currently using for your Elsa Speak account in order to confirm yourself. Once you enter the password for your Elsa Speak account, tap on Done at the bottom. From this page, you can now change your email address. Type in the new email address you would like to change to into the email address text box at the top. Once you are done, head over to the password field and enter your current password for your Elsa Speak account to confirm your identity. After you are done, tap Done at the bottom. Tap on OK in the pop-up to save your changes. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see your email address changed. That is how you can easily change your email address for Elsa Speak. How to change name on Elsa Speak app. Go and tap open your Elsa Speak application from the app drawer. Also make sure that you're logged into your account. From the main homepage, tap the profile icon at the bottom right and tap on your name at the top. This will open up the settings tab. Tap on Edit your profile right under your name and tap the edit button right next to your name. Now you can easily type in the new name you'd like to change to and tap on Done. Tap on the Done button at the bottom of the screen again and tap OK to save the changes. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see your Elsa Speak name changed right away. How to reset password on Elsa Speak. If you're trying to log into your Elsa Speak account but you've forgotten your password during logging in the sign in area, after selecting email option to log in, you'll need to type in your email followed by your password. If you don't remember your password during logging in, tap on the Forgot Password link beneath the sign in button. Enter your email address in the pop-up that is associated with Elsa Speak. After you type in your email, tap Send. Now, you'll receive a recovery email address sent on your email inbox. Go and open up your email inbox and open up the Reset Password inbox from Elsa Speak. Now tap on the Reset Password link and open up with a web browser by selecting from the menu. You'll now get to change or reset your password. Type in the new password you would like to change to for Elsa Speak and make sure to enter the password that will be easier for you to remember next time. On the next field, reconfirm the password by typing it again. After you are done, tap on Set Password. Soon after you do that, your password will be successfully set. You can now go open up your Elsa application and enter your email address followed by the new password that you just reset to. After you are done, tap Sign In, and that is how you'll be able to reset your password for Elsa Speak. How to log out of Elsa Speak. To log out of Elsa Speak, open up the app first and from the main homepage, tap on the human icon at the bottom right. This will open up your profile page. Now, tap on your name at the top and at the very bottom from your settings page. You'll be able to see a log out button. Give it a tap and tap on Yes in the pop-up in order to sign out or log out of your Elsa Speak account. How to delete Elsa Speak account. Open up your Elsa Speak application from the app drawer. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the main home page, tap on the human icon at the bottom right hand corner. On the next page, tap on your name at the top. Tap on Edit your profile right under your name at the top. And now tap on Delete your account at the very bottom of the next page. Type in Delete account in the text box and tap on Yes Delete. Click on Yes. In order to confirm your selection, you'll need to enter your password for Elsa Speak. Simply go ahead and enter the current password for your account and tap on Yes Delete, and your account deletion process will be completed. You'll be redirected back to your main homepage for Elsa Speak. That is how you can easily delete Elsa Speak account using your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.